I was actually practicing the violin when an image popped up in my head. I just said to myself, why isn't anybody doing that? I'm very impressed actually by what our team managed to do. Maldives does not have an electrical grid. It consists of islands that are very far apart. Therefore, each island has its own power generation, and the thing that makes sense is diesel generators. Those diesel generators operate 24/7, 365 days a year. The Maldives as a country in 2022 burned 600 million liters of diesel and spent $880 million for this.
But since these islands on the Maldives are so tiny, you don't have space on the roofs. We cannot produce not even a quarter of the energy they need. Now we proved them solar is actually working on the water. And now the space is limitless.
SolarSea is specially designed to be able to withstand the rough conditions we find in the oceans.
The waves don't crash into the platform, but they just pass through.
I saw it with big waves, I saw it with small waves, I saw it in the storm, and it's just there, silent.
It's not easy to make it. Maybe somebody says it's cables and solar panels, but it's difficult to install it.
When you're working with champions, then you'll be a champion too, yeah?
This makes it possible to turn off all the diesel generators on the entire island. We have practical experience of more than 10 years in real-life conditions in the Maldives. And we know it works. It's commercially possible because the solar power produced by this system is cheaper than power produced by diesel. Every single island should have one of these installations and be self-sufficient and not have to rely on diesel. And that's possible.